Hi, Sifu Paul Ng.
Hi, Catherine.
2024 is the year of the dragon. Could you tell us about the 2024 outlook for the people who were born in the year of the rat in the area of health?
Now, the red people and the dragon form a golden connection. That's the highest form of connection. So all the 12 signs, the red will do marvelous. So because of that, health-wise, very strong. But because the red has so much energy this year, it can be a little bit prone to accidents. So take the time, don't rush on things.
How about in the area of career?
As career is concerned, the red people are very analytical and very organized. So if you are in a business dealing with management, organization, planning, strategic stuff, you will do fantastic this year.
And in the area of wealth?
Now you have a lot of help from other people in terms of making money. So if you are in a kind of association or partnership with other people, you get plenty of help. So financially, not an issue for this year. Congratulations.
And lastly, in the area of marriage?
Obviously, the golden connection will give you these fantastic opportunities. So if you are still single, you should consider marriage. If you're already married, consider even loving more and go for more honeymoons and maybe make some babies if you can.
Happy Chinese New Year.
恭喜發財。